Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to test your pool water the right way. This simple routine will help you catch small issues before they turn to expensive fixes. Plus, I'll share a hidden tip at the end that even experienced pool owners sometimes miss. Let's get started. Testing your pool water isn't just about making sure it looks good, it's about making sure it's balanced and safe. Properly balanced water keeps your pool chlorine working effectively, prevents skin and eye irritation, and protects your pool equipment. If you don't test often enough, your water chemistry can slowly shift without you realizing it. This can lead to cloudy water, algae growth, or even damage to your pool surface and filters. But don't worry, testing is easy, and it only takes a few minutes if you do it right. So let's talk about what you'll need and how to get started. Now, there are two main ways to test your pool water. Test strips, these are the easiest and fastest option. Just dip it into the water, make sure it's elbow deep into there, then hold it still for a few seconds and compare the colors to the chart on the bottom. Liquid test kits, these give you more precise results. You take a water sample, add the correct number of reagent drops, then compare the color of the sample to a chart. Let's break it down step by step for both methods. Using test strips. Take your strip and dip it elbow deep into the water for about 2 to 3 seconds. Hold it still, don't shake off the water. Compare the color of each test pad to the chart on the test strip. Using a liquid test kit, fill the test files with pool water up to the marked line. Add the correct number of reagent drops for each test. pH, chlorine, etc. Gently swirl the water, don't shake. Compare the color of the sample to the provided chart. And that's it. In just a minute or two, you'll have a full picture of your pool's chemical balance. Here's something that most pool owners don't realize. Your test results can change depending on the time of the day you test. If you test early in the morning, your chlorine levels might seem lower than they really are because the sun hasn't had time to burn off the overnight buildup. On the other hand, if you test late in the afternoon, your chlorine might read lower because the sun has already broken down some of it. For the most consistent results, test at the same time of day every time. Ideally, in the late morning before the sun is at its strongest. This small change can help you get more accurate readings and avoid unnecessary chemical adjustments. So let's recap. To properly test your pool water, collect a good sample. Go at least 12 to 18 inches deep away from jets and skimmers. Use test strips or a liquid test kit. Both are effective, but liquid kits give more precision. Compare the results carefully. Don't rush and make sure you're reading the right chart. Test at the same time of day for consistency. Morning or midday is best. By testing your pool weekly or even more often during hot weather or after heavy pool use, you'll stay ahead of any issues and keep your water crystal clear. Now I challenge you to test your pool today. Let me know in the comments if you have any pool questions, if you found this helpful, and what your chemical levels were at. Be sure to stay tuned for more pool care tips. Thanks for watching.